This video tutorial I will explain from method of timestamp class which accept instant. Here I have defined the class timestamp demo. Here I have created instant. Then I am calling from method of timestamp class and passing instant. This method convert instant to timestamp. You can find source code for each example in my blog, and you can find a playlist for each topic in this playlist link. From this video description, you can get these links. Please check the description of this video.